like anxiety.
Why are you getting anxiety?
Because I feel like it's gonna fall.
All right. All right. Today we're making a knife with Jake Coleman. Come on out here, Jake. Not actually making a knife. We're just making a custom knife. The knife's already made. Purchased at Rockler.com. Made a couple of these in the past. They're kind of fun.
We've had it for like 5 years.
We've had this couple of kits for a couple of years that we've been needing to make, so it's time. So you basically just make the scales, get whatever wood you want, make the scales, and you got your own custom knife. So. All right, so first things first, you got your wood. Jake's got himself. Come on in here, Jake. Should be in the camera too. What did we say this was? We got leopard wood.
Yeah, so I call it Otto wood.
All right, because we have a cat named Otto and he's got spots. Remember, keep your hand on this side right here. About this, like this. Yeah. Just hold it like that. Push in. You're good. Jake?
We're tracing.
Tracing what?
The wood.
The wood. You mean the knife handle?
Yeah.
To get the shape of the scale on there. All right, cool, cool.
I thought you were holding like a fire on a stick.
Yep, that's it.
I mean a torch.
All right, that's good. All right.
Okay, now that I cut the scales, now I have to rough this up so that the scales can stick better to the handle. Let's get her done.
There you go. You can go faster if you want. Not worth putting it out on there. Just put some on there and then we'll spread it around. There you go. Sit this side. Sort of like you're spreading butter. There you go. Okay, pick it up. But try to keep it in the camera. Turn it over so you can see where it's at. Make sure it's lined up. Okay. While you're holding it up against the edge there, I'm going to clamp it. Okay. Get the other one.
Okay, so I'm gonna be drilling in 3 holes, so let's get started. So now the 3 holes that we just drilled were 332, and now we're gonna do 1/1/16 hole. My dad's gonna put a tiny drop of glue in in there so that the pins can stay in there a bit better. And then we're gonna pound it with a hammer.
Alright, well, that one looks like it's gonna go in pretty good. Perfect.
It looks like it's sticking out.
It's alright, it's gonna be that way. Get the other one. We'll get the other one glued up too. Oh, here you go. You get that pin out while I put a little bit of glue on there. The glue is just to sort of ensure that that pin stays in a little bit better.
Okay, so now I have to put the 4 pins right here, here, and here. And then, like, we're just basically putting it together. Okay, this is what I've got so far. As you can see, the sides are a little fat. So now we're gonna do the sides.
I have that problem too, Jake. My sides are a little fat as well. Alright. So now you finished the profile of the knife scales, and now you're gonna do the actual sides. So it's looking sweet. I wish I got the leopard wood. I got the palm red. Oh yeah. We've been building a camera, or building a knife in the what would you call it?
Like behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. That's right. Let's get it going, Jake.
So now we're gonna be drilling the knife so that we can be able to open and close the knife.
See the difference there? All right, there you go, Jake.
Okay, so now let's get started.
All right, good job, dude. On to the next step. You okay?
Okay, this is the knife that I made, not my dad. It was really fun. It was amazing. I love this knife. It's super cool.
So how'd we finish it?
We put
Hold it up so we can see.
We put beeswax on it, and so yeah, and we polished it with a rag, and yeah, that's pretty much what we did. What I did.
All by herself.
Yeah.
Not a single look of help from me.
No.
All right, so hold it up again with the knife open so we can see. You're holding the handle. We can't quite see the handle. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. That just glistens in the sunlight.
Look at that.
Look at how the leopard spots from the leopard wood shows up. That's awesome. Good job, dude. Fantastic build. So much fun. Great times. All right, here we go. A nice little close-up of the knife. Look at that. Good job, Jake. That's a good looking knife. Maybe I should show mine now.
I'm getting mega anxiety.
Why are you getting anxiety?
Because I feel like it's gonna fall.
All right.